What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo, team leader with Absolute Top Dollar and listing agent with eXp Realty. Today we're at a beautiful property in Jacksonville. I can't wait to take you on a tour. Let's go check out inside. Welcome guys, welcome into this beautiful property. So we're standing right in the foyer entry here, and what I love about this property is that it has a traditional floor plan. So right here you're gonna have a formal living area. I would personally use this space as a home office, but it's a beautiful room, lots of sunlight, and then you've got this formal dining living area here. So this is perfect for your Thanksgiving dinners, Christmas, and you're gonna notice that these beautiful lighting is all throughout this property. So you've got this black chandeliers and white lighting. Now, as you come in through here, you're gonna notice that we do have this wood LVP flooring throughout. It's actually gorgeous. It makes this home look really, really modern. And look at this enormous, enormous family room. This is huge, perfect for your big sofas, your TVs. This house does have vaulted ceilings, so you are gonna be feeling very grand when you're in the property. It also has crown molding in every single room. So with the hi-hats, the new fans, the new floors, and this is, you know, anytime you have a property that has a kitchen that mixes in with the family living area is always the best, okay? So I love this kitchen. Look at this cooking island that you have here, so you can prepare all your food here. The kitchen is complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and you actually have brand new appliances here. So brand new stove, double oven here. So Thanksgiving dinner, you will definitely be cooking because you have two ovens and a stove here, okay? You also have that walkway right here into the dining area. And right here is a perfect little sitting area for a breakfast nook where you can have, you know, your breakfast and lunches. Perfect space. I love the kitchen and I love the hi-hats. Right here is an entry room into the laundry, in the laundry room, and then it also takes you out to the two-car garage. Now, all of these appliances are brand new, guys. So you're gonna have brand new washer, brand new dryer, brand new thermostat, brand new flooring. Now come on in here. This is the one side of the house. The master bedroom's on one side and the other bedrooms are on this side. So now you do have a bathroom right here that your guests can use, and then it also goes into the cabana bath. You've got a fourth bedroom right here, so it's complete with a ceiling fan, the brand new flooring, crown molding on the baseboards, and a beautiful window here for natural light. Now this is one of my favorites. Very few houses still have these type of floor plans, but it's a Jack and Jill bathroom, yay! So this is perfect if you have kids, young kids sharing a room. Once you walk in here, there's a shower, a toilet, and two sinks in here that they can share and use together, and then it connects to the other room. How cute is that? Everybody loves this type of floor plan. So you're really gonna enjoy this. So this side of the property does have 3 full bedrooms and 2 bathrooms just on this side of the house. So now let me take you all the way to the other side of the house where the master bedroom is. Okay. So now we're here in the master suite, okay? And you're gonna have a huge master bedroom. Here you've got this gorgeous chandelier, you've got the crown molding in the top, beautiful flooring, huge. It's a very big and open space with the vaulted ceilings and the 3 big windows. You do have a complete 2 master closets. So you've got the full his and hers here. This can be his, this can be hers, and they're very big size masters, so there's plenty of space. So this is a gorgeous master bathroom. It has complete with 2 sinks. It has a space here for a vanity so you can do your makeup, a beautiful tub there, and a huge walk-in shower with a private commode. Everything has been updated in this bathroom with the new lighting, the new knobs. You guys are gonna love this master suite. Let's go take a look outside. Oh, welcome to the backyard, guys. You're gonna absolutely love this property in the back patio. You are on a preserve here, so you'll never have any neighbors right behind you. This is a beautiful screened-in patio with a brand new ceiling fan, perfect for those hot summers. I can't wait for you guys to actually come out and take a private tour of this property. This home is going to be put on the market and available to be shown right away. So if you have any questions and you'd like a personal tour, give me a call. All my information's down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.